Hello, hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to ask for much, just like the video. I've just glanced at my token thing. 8 ikifika for me. Let us start with this situation here. First of all, I need a shurak. And if you have been here long enough, you know what happened to my other shurak. You know, nilifanya stool na ikanionyesha ile mambo. I fell mercilessly. I'm buying a shurak. Don't worry guys. We have caretaker alinirushia hizo vitu. The trash bags. Does your house, do they provide trash bags for you? We have this. Niliingia nikiwa nimechoka. I was like, I'm not doing this. I'm not unpacking. But if you haven't gone to China Square by now, you are lying to yourself. And you're lying to the community. So let us see what we have. I bought this Himalayan pink salt. I was scrolling through the University of TikTok and I stumbled upon this video, and they were saying that the water we are drinking does not have enough nutrients. What is it of nutrient dense? That one. So what she does is she puts like kidogo salt like this and baking soda. I don't know if it was baking soda in her water, like a pinch, and yeah, it intrigued me. I won't say much. Kachili cube. My fave is Ilkwazimesha. You know me and the sachet life. It's me and the sachets for life, bro. And you're wondering what this is. Oh, when were you here? When were you here? Oh my gosh, this cat. I'm getting a phone call. Wait, this is my cat's food, and you can see someone was here. You can see someone was here. Someone was here. Omena. That is what I feed my cat, by the way. I know there are those food. There are those cat food kwa supermarket. Wewe. Kuna hiyo cat food kwa supermarket. Oh, sijui nini. But this one actually prefers omena. Sindio? And you see the way he's chunky. He's chunky. Chunky cat, because so namwekeanga like omena, alafu namwekea some milk. And the omena I usually go all the way to Gikomba fish. Yani wewe, the way I usually travel for you on a hot sunny afternoon. Ni mimi na the sun, mimi na the Gikomba sun. Should do like a whole video of owning a cat. This cat is not affectionate. Unaniuma mbele ya watu. My house really gets cold, but hey, his season didn't come to play. So I'll just put on my jacket, roll up the sleeves, and we get to work. I think the first thing I'm going to do is dust up this window pane place. Welcome. Are you seeing this? Wow. So I feel I should give an explanation of what is going on here. So these things, this is not working for me anymore. Hi Bambi, hi Bambi. Even one already came off and I haven't been bothered to put it back. My vision was this, and I don't think I achieved it with this. He's a have to go. They have to go. This one is just too bare for me to bear. I want to do something DIY. I went to I think textbook center. I think so. And I bought these two things. So I want to do like a custom art piece. And just hang it like here. You can't see, no. You really can't see. It's the brightness of the wall. And then the other one here. And then hapaju, I'll add something so that the wall can look a bit nice. Yeah. So this is a whole separate video. Stay tuned. It's either going to be horrible or perfect. There's no in between. Ooh, I even bought a pencil and did I buy my eraser? Whichever. This is not even the good kind of eraser. This was the only one the shop had. You'll see how I do it. I'm not a painter, but I love to sketch. That's why I have a pencil and an eraser. I talked about this in my haul of China Square. I think I haven't yet posted it. Okay, I'm sorry. I usually sit on a lot of footage. Look at my cat. This cat. But yeah, I didn't talk about this, but I bought books. Let's see the books that we have. We have The Chocolate Cupid Killings. I think this is an interesting book. A chocoholic mystery, sijai soma, but yeah. We have 12 Angry Librarians. Obviously I loved it because it has a cat. And then we have Elements of Style. Obviously Our Daily Bread and the Holy Bible. They're there. I think the most disappointing thing about this living room, what is this? Also, kwa coffee table, we have some books. These are for the coffee table. We have The Walking Dead. I've never watched this series, but I liked the book. And those we love most. Obviously, I have fake plants, so this leaf always comes out, and I think it's this cat's fault. now, to spice up the scent of the room, I'm adding kastoso to kadugu. Kadugu too.